Good morning, this is Joy from Riancho. Excuse my fingers. I've been in the garden working as well as making this Halloween album for the competition in Riancho for the best Halloween cake or autumn cake. So I've made a belly band for the album with a little sticker on it. I had some of these little bobbly things, I put some lace underneath, and I found this sticker in my stash. On the back I've put my details and the black cat and some more of that lace with some pearls on it. Okay, there are some pearls down the middle there too. This is Prima paper, but the other paper, the Halloween paper, I got off Etsy, and I paid a few euros for it and then printed it up in my local printing shop. So inside I've got a piece out of the paper that, from the printer shop, and this is a card that I copied from one of my what do you call them, pocket letter cards. Another sticker. I think these stickers came from Tiger a long time ago. So this is all the paper collection, and inside here I have just little cards that come from the paper collection too. And this is a design by Faithful Designs. I think that's what, but I can't remember the name of the woman, but I'll put it in the description box below. So I've put a little tiny clip here that was given as a freebie when I bought some stuff from a shop, and this folds down. There's a card here. This bat I cut with my die cutting machine, and this house too, this haunted house. I bought them off eBay, the die cuts. We open up, this is some of the paper as well. Well, it's all the paper now, and orange card that I got from Lidl, which is very strong cardstock. Okay, there we are. I'll fold it up now, and then you turn it over, and there's a little pocket here. Maybe I should put something in there, but I wasn't, so that the people know there's something in there. This is the same cat. These are all fussy cat, of course, and even the little tiny tags with a bubble on it. Cat. This is confetti for Halloween. This opens this way. More of the paper. I've made a little pocket here, and I stuck this down. I think this came from Graphic 45, and the one with the months. I can't remember what it was called. This was fatty cut out. There's a pocket here to put things in. On the other side, this was another photocopy of something that I received in the pocket letters. Another fussy cut out piece of paper. I've put orange all the way around each of the things that I fussy cut out. This I'm very pleased with. This is a piece of grey card that I had. I put an orange spider, but maybe I should have put a black one. Maybe I'll put a black one on top. It's a little tiny card here, and also another one that I fussy cut out. It's another sticker from Tiger, and that's the end of that signature. Okay, then this is another one here. I've put a card inside here. These are my editions, so I haven't actually copied Faithful Designs altogether. I've changed it to my way as well. So photo for a photo, and on this side here I've fussy cut out the railings and Halloween greetings, and then put another card inside here with another card that I've made from the paper pack and a stamp. So I think that this is something to do with Graphic 45, but I did buy it off Etsy. So here is another tag that I've made up, a pocket and a pocket this side. With this I think I had this from a while ago from my stash. So more of the paper, and I put this bubble trim here. I also fussy cut this out here to just to finish off the trim in here. There's a little photo mat inside here, and this opens this way, and you have a big photo place here, and this is just stuck on here. Oh no, maybe it needs a few cards too. I forget what I've done, so it should be a card in here like this, I think, something like this. Okay. So to the last page here. Oh, that was the beginning of the last page. Sorry, that was the last signature. And then I've put a little tiny clip, once again, another freebie. And this opens down, and you have this as just a pretty place to look at on a photo mat here. And then it'll clip back up, and here is finally the back cover. And on the back cover I put just an orange tag here and a photo mat here from the collection, and the spider web. The other spider web came from my die cuts. Okay. I hope you like it. It was quite good fun making it. I hope the people like it. As I say, I stamped on the back so that they would know who made it. And there we are. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.